ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तस्मैस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधि साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं गगनसदृशं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिव। We are taking today the 42 stanza to 61 stanza of Guru Gita in Sanskrit. It is told by Lord Shiva to his first disciple, his wife Mother Parvati. Nana rupamidam sarvam na kenyapyasti bhinnatah karya karana chaiva tasmai Sri Guruve namaha. It means the God, Master Sadguru, has a different type of forms. He comes in the different forms in different time. So nana rupa midam sarvam, all the forms is the form of all forms are the form of the existence. And there is nothing comparable with the Master. And there is nothing difference in all the world, because the Master, the existence is presence everywhere, but he appear in form of Master. So their function and causes and everything comes from the Almighty God. So we are bowing in the feet of Master. Yaddagri kamaladundam dvandhatapa nivarakam तारकं सर्व अप्यद्यभ्य श्री गुरु प्रणमाम्यहम्. It means the Guru Sadguru lotus feet, they can remove your all pain. They can remove your all pain. They can remove your all dilemmas. They can remove your all sorrows. They can remove of all contradictions. So, if you are in any trouble in your life, you must meditate on your feet of your Master by true heart and true mind. The help will come, the healing energy will come, the helping energy will come. It is definitely the greatest Master, Lord Shiva, is saying. So Lord Shiva is saying, so I am bowing in feet of my Master. You can think, who is the Master of Lord Shiva? And who is the Master of Lord Vishnu? And who is the Master of Lord Brahma? This is the Trinity comes from Satchidananda Paramatma. So the Satchidananda Paramatma is a Master of millions uncountable galaxies. Lord Shiva is bowing in the feet of Satchidananda Paramatma. Satchidananda Paramatma's feet is everywhere. If you are in Australia, America, England, Italy, Japan, Germany, or India, or any country, any part of this planet or other planet, other stars, other galaxy, the lotus feet of Sachidananda Paramatma is presence everywhere, everywhere. So if you go there, you are going in feet of Sachidananda Paramatma. So you can imagine what is the master. Master is the great and greatest authority of this, not this world, but all the worlds. शिवे क्रुद्धे गुरुस्त्राता गुरु क्रुद्धे शिवो नहीं तस्मात् सर्व प्रयत्नेन गुरु राधा आराधनम कुरु. If the Lord Shiva will angry with you, but Lord Shiva will angry with you, then your master can save you. But if your master will angry you, nobody can save you. But my dear lovers, master never angry. Master never angry. Mother never kill his child. So master is the heart of the millions of millions mother. How can master angry? If master angry, that is not master. Master never angry with you. So I change in my Hindi version of the Sanskrit Guru Gita. That is the different meaning, that maybe Lord Shiva can angry with you, but Guru can save you, but Guru never angry with you. Bande Guru Pad Dvandam Vang Manishchit Gocharam Shveta Rakta Prabhavinnam Shiva Shaktyaatmakam Param. It means we are worship in the feet of Master, both feet of the Master. Because the Master is the Supreme Shiva. The Master, it has the supreme power of existence. The Master is sitting in the Shvet, white, pink light of lotus. It is the sign your brain, that is white. Your brain is inside white and slightly pink by the blood. So Master living in your, this is not heart, this is heart in the spiritual language. So Master is sitting in your heart. There is the white lotus, and mind, intellect, wisdom, languages, mood, and your senses never know them, the Master. So I am worship the feet of my Master, so precious feet of my Master. Gukaram cha gunatitam रुकारं रूप वर्जितं गुणातीतं स्वरूपं च यो दद्धा स गुरु स्मतः. The first letter is Gukaram. Gukaram means the master is beyond all the three gunas, Satogunas, Rajogunas and Tamogunas. So master is beyond the gunas. Rukaram Rupa Varjitam. It means the master is beyond all the forms, shapes. He is Niranjan Nirakara. So there is no illusion of the Maya. Gukaram cha gunatitam, rukaram rupa varjitam. It means that there is no any visible or invisible form. So master is like your existence, your Atma, your soul, your pure soul. So Lord Shiva says, I am bowing my head in the feet of my master. So the master is called Guru. It is the meaning of the Guru. Gu means Gunatita, Ru means Rupa Varjita. It means not any form, without shape and without form, presence everywhere. Atrinetra Sarva Sakshi Achaturbahu Achyutaha Achaturbadane Brahma Sri Guru Kathitam Priye. Atrinetra Sarva Sakshi. It means O Parvati, even the master has no three eyes like me, but he is the Sarva Sakshi. It means he is the seer of all. He is the seer and knower of all. Even master he is a seer or knower of all. So master is like the Shiva. So master is like the Shiva. Even master has no four hands like Vishnu, but he is Vishnu. He is Achyuta Vishnu. Master has no four heads, but he is like four-head Brahma. So, because master is a combined form of Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva, he is the combined and he is the unique form, he is the submerged and he is the concentrated form of Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva. So master is called Guru. So master is called Guru. Ayam mayanjalir baddho daya sagar vruddhaye yad nugraho to jantush sansara mukti bhakah. Ayam, the master is the ocean of the mercy. The master is the ocean of the grace. So, I am putting my both hands together and bowing my head in the feet of the master, because only and only the mercy of the master you can understand between the difference of the Jiva and Brahma. Otherwise, nobody can understand the difference of Jiva and Brahma. And if a person do not know his Brahma, he will come again and again in the death and birth cycle. So the next is Sri Guru Paramam Rupam Vivek Chakshusho Amratam Mandabhagyana Pashyanti Andha Suryodayam Yatha. The Master is the supreme form of the God and existence. If a person has a divine wisdom of divine eyes, only he can see the Master in the right form. Lord Shiva says, otherwise the bad luck and unlucky person, they have no understanding of divinity. They cannot see the Master. They see the Master as a general person. Even they see the Master by the head. You know, the Lord Shiva is giving the example, as a blind man cannot see the sunrise. So the person, they have no the interest in the divinity or interest in the ever, and interest in the liberation or interest in the spirituality. If they have no interest in this field, they cannot see the Master. Srinath Charanandvandam Yasya Disi Birajate Tasya Disi Namaskuryad Bhaktaha Pratidinam Priye. O my dear Parvati, the Master is sitting in any country or in any city or in any place. I am bowing my head, or it is the duty of disciple. He bow his head or that direction. Is Master living in the east? You bow the east. Master living in the west? You bow the west. Because that is the divine direction. That is the divine direction in which the Master is living with the body. जिस दिस गुरु विराजते उसको है प्रणाम, हृदयांजलि अर्पित करूं पुष्पों का क्या काम. This is the Hindi translation of this Sanskrit Gita. In which direction my Master is living, I am giving my respect to that direction, because my heart is donated to my Master. I have no need of flowers. My heart is the flower. I surrender my heart in the feet of my Master. तस्ये दिशे सतत मंजिलेश आर्ये प्रक्षिप्यते मुखरितो मधुपैबुधस्यः जागति यत्र भगवान गुरु चक्रवर्ती विश्वोदय प्रलय नाटक नित्य साक्षी. तस्य दिशे सतत मंजिले रेश आर्ये. हे आर्य, हे Parvati, in which direction the Master is sitting? The Master is the origin of the all universes, and the Master is the source of the destruction of all universes. So the master is the only knower and the seeker of all natural phenomena from billions of billions years, uncountable time, because anything will be disturbed but master will not destroy. So the master is the witness of all dramas of this nature. So the master is the kings of the kings, empires of the empires. So I am telling the mantras in the prayer of the master, and I am putting the flowers in the feet of the master. Those flowers, they are very beautiful, they are very nice. I repeat this stanzas because in the previous discourse that was not it so much good description, so I take it again. I take these stanzas again. So now श्रीनाथ तिरगुरु श्रीनाथादि गुरु त्रयम् गणपति पीठ त्रयम् भैरवम् सिद्धोदम बटुकवक्त्रम् पदयुगम् द्वितीयक्रमे मण्डलम् वीरानद्वयश्चक्षुष वष्टिवकनम् वीरान द्वय षष्ठ चतुष्क शनिष्ठवकम् वीराबली पंचकम् श्रीमन्मालिनी मंत्रराज सहितं वंदे गुरु मंडलम्. The Master Sadguru, the Supreme Master, the greatest Gurudev, the form of Srinathadi, Dattatreya, three Gurudevas, the form of the Ganapati, the form of the Kamarupa, the form of the Purnagiri, the form of the Jalendar are the three Pithas, the form of the Manthanadi, 8 Bhairavas, the form of 84 Siddhas, the Viranchi Chakras, Skanda, form of 3 Vatukas, the form of the light and Vimarsha, it means the Shiva and Shakti, the form of 2 Charanas, the Yogya Vandadi Duti, the form of the Agni Mandalam, it means the circle of the fire made by the sun, the form of the Surya Mandalas, the form of the Soma Mandalas, it means the circle of the Soma, the form of 10 Bhairavas, the form of 64 Yoginis, the form of Sarva Sansodhani, all purification, purifier, 9 mudras, the form of Brahma, the form of Vishnu, the form of Rudra, the form of Ishvara, the form of Sada Shiva, and 5 Viraha, and A to Z, all 51 letters with all the mantras. The containing these all, the circle of master, the Guru Mandala, Arthat, it means it is the ministry of the master, ministry of the Guru. So I am bowing in the feet of all. It is the 52 shloka. अभ्यस्ते सकले सुधीर मनिलेवध्याधि प्रदे दुष्करे प्राणायाम शतेर्नेकः कर्णेर्दुःखात्मके दुर्जयः तस्मिन् व्युदिते विनिश्यति बली वायु स्वयं तत्लक्षणां प्राप्तुं सह तत्सहजं स्वभावमनिशं सेव्यध्यमेकं गुरुम्. Your senses giving you the intolerable pains and intolerable diseases, and it is very hard and difficult to conquer your mana, and there is no benefit of the pranayama because by the wisdom of the master when comes, so all yogas and all activities have no meaning, so they are comes automatically as your need of your body. So the Lord Shiva is say, do the service of the master. It is the highest prayer, it is the highest sadhana, it is the highest spiritual practice. स्वदेशिकस्यैव शरीर चिंतनम भवेदनस्तस्य शिवस्य चिंतनम स्वदेशिकस्यैव नाम कीर्तनम भवेदनस्तस्य शिवस्य कीर्तनम. If you are meditating on your master, then you are meditating on Shiva. If you are telling the name of the master with the love, that you are the chanting of Shiva. So the master's name is mantra and master's meditation is the meditation of God. यत पाद रेणुकणिका कापि संसार वारिधे सेतु बंधायते नाथं देशिकं समुपास्यते. Master's feet, lotus feet, only the particle of the dust that is so precious. Then if you have this dust particle on your head or you take like a prasadam, it will be help you to cross the border of this illusion of this Maya. So, as the Rama made the bridge, Setu, to Lanka and cross the ocean, so Master's real and divine love can make a bridge to this Maya to Brahma. Maya to Brahma. So Shiva says, I am worship the master. So I am worship the master. Tasmad anugraham labdva महद ज्ञान मुसृजयेत् तस्मै श्री देशिकेन्द्राय नमश्याभीष्ट सिद्धये. By the grace of the great master, the ajnana, the blindness of this illusion, the unknown of truth will destroy and truth will come. So, I am respecting my master for my liberation, for my success in the divine field, to achieve the goal of highest position, never come again on this false illusion. Padambujam सर्व संसार दावानल विनाशकम ब्रह्मरंध्रे स्थितो भोज मध्यस्थ चंद्रमंडले पदाम्बुजम, the lotus feet of the master. The lotus feet of master destroy your all the Davanal. It means the burning by burning created by this world. Different type of burning of jealousy, burning of anger, burning of place, burning other. So the lotus feet of master give you total complete relief from this burning. So, Brahmarande Sitam Bhoja Madhyastha Mandale, so that master is living in your Brahmarandha, Chandra Mandala, and the white lotus in there. Akhathadi Tirekha Rekhabse Sahastradhara Mandale हंस पार्श्व त्रिकोणे च स्मरेत मध्यगम गुरुम. That in this white lotus, the central part of that lotus, this lotus is 100 petals, and in this 100 petals, Akhatadi, there is 3 lines. And there are ham saha, that is the letters there. So there is the triangle made by these 3 lines. So the seeker must meditate there. This is the Guru Gita. I am telling you most simple way, but this is the Guru Gita of Lord Shiva. I am translating you in English. So, it is called Hansha Parsvaha. Now 59. Sakala Bhuvana Srashti Kalpita Sesa Pustira Nikhila Nigamadi Drashti Sampadam Vyartha Drashti अवगुण परमाष्टि स्तपदाथेक दृष्टि भवगुण परमेष्टि मोक्ष गेक दृष्टि. All the lokas constructed by the materials and all the materials, they are made by the power of the nature, and all the books, holy books and all the divine knowledge and all the treasure of the universes, they are only and only give you illusion, not give you liberation. So, by these all illusion, only and only master can give you the true existing knowledge of the supreme stage. So, this this knowledge of liberation comes from the master, and then you can easily understand that all world is like a drama, all world is like a platform of drama. And you can detach from this drama, and master comes in your life and shower on you his mercy and love. So the 36 tattvas, they are like a mala. It means mala, you know, mala. In this 36 tattvas, all the rules and regulation made to continue this world regularized and nicely. But the Satchidananda Paramatma is the Swarupa, and the Satchidananda Paramatma is beyond and over and all these things. He is not ruler, but he is the supreme power. In presence of Satchidananda Paramatma, all things comes automatically and manage all the good manner. So the master is that. Master is Satchidananda Paramatma. So I am praying his mercy sight, his mercy eyes, his merciful grace always on me. अग्नि शुद्ध समम ताता ज्वाला परिचादि धिया मंत्राज में मन्ये अहिनिर्षिपातु मृत्युतः. O Parvati, as the fire purified the gold, when we purify the gold, we put the gold in the fire, and all the impurity of gold gone by the fire. So, master's direction of your wisdom, master make you a wisdom make a wisdom in you like a fire, and your soul, shell of your soul, purify, then only your soul remaining, and you are become a Atma Sakshatkari. So the Shiva says that is the death comes and against, but if the master comes in your life, death will not come. So master is the real Mahamrityunjay. I know this. Shiva says, I know this. Tattejati, tannejati, taddure, tassamipake. तद्देजति तन्नेजति तद्दूरे तत्समीपके तदंतरस्य सर्वस्य तदु सर्वस्य बाह्यतः. So he is the Brahma, the Guru. He is not movable, he is movable also. He is far from you, he is very near of you. He is omnipresence everywhere. He is omnipresence everywhere. And he is inner side and he is outer side also. There is no place without the master's presence. My disciple asked me, especially my Hana asked many things. Your Brahma Jyoti is working. Yes, I am working because The Brahma Jyoti is present in every particle of this universe. अजो अहम अजरोहम च अनादि निधनः स्वयं अविकारश्चिदानंद अणीया महतो महान. When the master teach you, then you will know that you are azar. It means you will never be old. You are always young. Aham, it means not the ego. Aham means it is the existence. So, you are Aj, it means you are never born. You are Atma, never born. You are Atma, you are not body. Anadi, it means there is no beginning of you. You are always presence, not beginning. Mrityurahit, it means you will not die. Nirvikara, you have nothing impure. Atma is pure, nothing impure in Atma. Chidananda Swarupa, it means in every particle of universe you are existing and you are the supreme pleasure of this world. Undrop, unbreakable, unstopped pleasure. And you are micro from atom. You are micro. You are more micro than atom, or you are more micro than electron. And you are greater than galaxies. The Atma is the greater than galaxies and micro from electron. So, the 63 stanza was that. Apurvana param nityam swayam jyotir niramayam birajam paramakasham dhrumam anandam abhyayam. It means Apurvaha, nothing was presence before the Atma. He was origin and presence all before, nothing before the Atma. When I am saying Atma, I am saying the Master. So, he is Nitya. Nitya, it means he is existing forever. Swayam Prakasha, there is no need of any light. He is the light of all lights. Niramaya, he is Niramaya, it means he is always pure and divine. Malarahita, it means there is nothing illusion, nothing maya, nothing nature, nothing anything. Paramakasha Swarupaha, the space of the space. Atma is the space of the space. Avichala, nobody can push the Atma. He standing like a very, very big mountain. Nobody can push the mountain. Atma cannot be driven by anyone. Ananda Swarupa, it is the pleasure of the pleasure. You do not know the pleasure when you enlight, when you Atma Sakshatkari. You feel a stream of the pleasure. Unmatchable, you never know that pleasure in your life. Money cannot give you like that pleasure. And your physically experience cannot give you like that pleasure. Your health cannot give you the like that pleasure. Your power cannot give you like that pleasure. That is the supreme pleasure. It called Ananda Swarupa. Kshayarahita, nobody can destroy that. Your Atma, so that is the master. श्रुति प्रत्यक्ष में मेति वहम अनुमान चतुष्टयम् यस्य चात्म तपो वेदः देशिकं च सदा स्मरेत. It means the master Gurudev, he has the power of his own existence. The Veda, the Shastra, the direct, indirect, the history, they are the evidences. They do not usable in the master's field. Master itself is biggest evidence of the God. So, O my wife Parvati, O my disciple Parvati, please always remember the master in your heart. Or I am telling you how you will remember and how will you memorize the master's greatness and love in your heart. Mananam yadbhavam karya taddami mahamate sadhutvam cha maya drishtva tvai tishtati sampratam. By the presence of the master, the elliptical, the living and non-living, they can you feel. That is stage of the Brahma, Atma Sarupa, Atma Tattva. If the Atma Tattva comes by the grace of the masters, so I am bowing in the feet of the master because that the greatest achievement of the life, that is the Brahma Sakshatkara or Atma Sakshatkara. Akhanda Mandala Akaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. It is I describe this meaning as before. I tell, and I am telling the stranger after. I repeat, the master is Char and Achar, living and non-livings, all covered by the master. So the master is seeing you that Atma Sakshat or Brahma Jnana. So I am bowing in the feet of the master. Sarva Shruti Shiroratna Virajit Padambuja Vedantambuja Suryo Yastasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. The lotus feet of masters, all the Vedas, all the Shrutis, all the great mantras, they are existing there like an ornament. So, the Vedanta lotus blossom by the words of the masters, by the help of the master, by the grace of the master. As the sun comes and lotus blossom, as the master comes and Vedanta blossom. So I am bowing my head in the feet of the master, because the master is the son of, for the Vedanta lotus. Master is the son to expose all the jnanas. All the jnanas. Yasya smrana matrena jnanam utpadhyate swayam sa eva sarva samprapti tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. If you remember the master by the real and true heart, if you love the master with the true heart and all your purity and all your surrender, you will be definitely enlightened, you will be definitely achieve the last goal of this destination, because the divine love and divine purity and surrender and the total devotion in the feet of the master is the very, very important factor in this field. So, yasya smrana matrena jnana utpatya swayam. So the jnana will automatically come. So the master make you the sarva sakshi. It means you will see everything, every fraction of the time, every moment, every second, you will become in the sakshi. So the master helping you for this liberation. So I am going in the feet of the master. Chaitanyam shashvatam shantam vyomatitam niranjanam Nadvindu kalatitam tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Only the master is the Chaitanya. It means master is, only the master is alive. All are sleeping. He is only one person, he is alive. Shashvatam, only the master is immortal. All are mortal. Shantam, only the master is living in the supreme peace. Vyomatitam, master is the beyond the your space. He is so minute. Space cannot interfere in the master. Vyomatitam, Niranjanam, master is the without any illusion of the Maya. He is the pure form of the God. Nad Vindu Kalatitam, there is the divine sound, divine point, blow, the point which is yogis see in the meditation. Kala, it means all 64 kalas. They are beyond the master. Master is supreme, all these things. Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. So I am bowing my head in the lotus feet of the master. Isthavar jangamam chaiva tatha chaiva characharam vyaptam ena jagat sarvam tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Isthavara, it means unmovable things like a stone, like the trees and other things. Jangamam, they can move, like the animals, the rivers, the waters, the wind. Everywhere master is the presence in everything. Isthavar jangam chaiva tatha chaiva characharam vyaptam en jagat sarvam. Master is presence in all over the world and every time. Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. So I am bowing in the feet of my master. It is the 71 stanza, and I think it is the enough for this episode. Thank you very much.